cease to be unethical now. Yeah.
Look at this rate, though.
It's about to get good, and that's all I know. Charlie's on top of this.
It must be that it's broken.
No.
I hope it's not gonna bite her. It's still Charlie.
Really?
That's all it takes.
Yeah, good work, Charlie. You fucking cracked the case, mate.
What did you say?
What's no in, like, Montenegro?
What did you say? Charlie bit my finger. No?
What's no in Montenegro, mate?
Man, the police guy is gonna
She's on this shit, though. Like, she's got it.
Yeah, they have the control over it now. They're gonna talk with her. I don't think it's so weird that we should think from here.
No, even the police doesn't go out from the car, so.
And she's still like continuing. And she wasn't so drunk because she was standing and like.
And we thought she was fucking the motorbike.
They're just looking
It
up.
really looked like. Sorry, but it really looked like.
They're just oh no, they do have the blinker on. You're right.
Yeah, but I gonna tell my friends
she's
home
getting all
that
up in
I
that
saw a girl
gasket.
who was fucking her motorbike. No.
It's a bad tire. Kick it a few more times.
Wait. But she have to do something okay because the police was okay with it.
Charlie, what did she say?
No, the
Police
police is
wasn't okay with it.
no, the police is coming back.
Go ask her.
No, we have
Hey, the police is coming back, so it was something weird.
No, I think,
It's still weird.
They are turning back.
no, they were.
Yeah, they are turning. No, it's police. They are turning back. Yeah.
Yeah, but they were going there from the beginning and then they turned around just because she was.
So it wasn't anything
At
special.
least ask if she speaks English.
You should go and ask her what if she needs help or something.
No, I don't really care.
No, but we can help her.
Waiting for something amazing to happen. It's gonna happen. It will happen.
Actually, I helped one guy in Korea once, and when he fell down with his bike, and I was
There we
like,
go.
Look, six in there.
This is the hero we deserve.
Soon the girl is gonna kick him.
Kick it. Kick that fucking tire. Kick that shit off.
Kicking the tire is absolutely.
It's working. She's done.